Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can withdraw from SweatCoin. So for that, when you open up your SweatCoins app, you won't be able to see any withdrawal options over here even when you go to the wallet. So basically you will have to hit up to your Play Store or App Store for that. Let's open up Play Store and search for Sweat Wallet. After that, you need to install Sweat Wallet to transfer your funds to other exchange and then convert that amount of Sweat coin into USD or any other crypto that you want. So let's wait and let the Sweat Wallet get downloaded. So after the download is complete, just open up Sweat Wallet and connect it to your already existing SweatCoin app. Just click on login with SweatCoin. Just follow the guidelines and it will be able to help you with withdrawals. So basically it is creating a wallet for you, so just let it happen and you should have your account, and then you will be able to transfer your funds from SweatCoin app to SweatCoin wallet and then to different exchanges. Just approve your login and walk a few steps before creating your account or Sweat wallet. Then you will be able to transfer your funds from Sweat wallet to Bybit account or KuCoin account, and from there you can convert it to USD or USDT or USDC or any other crypto or the currency of your country. And this is how you withdraw funds from SweatCoin app to SweatCoin wallet and into your currency. And I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.